So guys, how are you guys? Happy Tuesday. Ngithi ngibambe kusase-5 ngisavuka ekuseni ngibambe ngezindaba. Usisi uyangibhala sothu usisi unkele angibhala awushoze uthi ukuganga ngicine sengijola nendodo yomunye umuntu and awushoze like bengizela ukuthi this thing itlofela like just like that itlofela momoyeni kulawona kanti umsadi abafazi laba basoke umotoyito la kutse badilo ukuthi awushoze mina bengisebenza airport so nekebereka airport uthi like siya communicate nabantu kulawona like umuntu how are you say in athi ugaya abe interesting mangikhuluma naye like akhulume like the language the voice kulawona or like lena ke chamehe kanti nayo awuthi uchamehile awuthi uthi vele like bekagcwalisa iform uthi la ngaphansi kweform athathe iserviette abhale igama lakhe nenumber phone at please can you call me afake and le form lebekayigcwalisa yabona so uthi awushozi ngibone inumber ka brothers uthi mangibona vele ukuthi ubhala ukuthinda uthi angibheke athi ahambe ore awushozi phela nami sengena umoya lobuganga kilowona uthi immediately ngito hamba ngithatha inumber le ngistore masingi ngimsendele WhatsApp ngithi hi ngithi I see you ukaya responde masi or awushozi nako eune asikhalanyana atsamayile uthi makaqeda ukufunda message like ngiyambona from a distance uyathi vele ubheya ngapha uthi vele nami ngiyasmile uthi yasmile vele uyachubeka uyahamba uthi ngizokhuluma nawe at ubrothers athambala ukuthi ngizokhuluma nawe kahle ngizokufonela kahle ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe ngefoni uthi vele ngimsendele isithupha ukuthi sharp okay uthi hayi ngisebenze ubhiza ngisho ubhizi ngisebenze ngesikhathi sokushayisa ngisishayise uthi wangisesendleleni ugayivele afone akhulume ethi hayi urikuloka uvoice or awudo monse hara but athi hi ngithi hi how are you I'm fine uthi sikhulume kanjalo ugayi oleko like phone ngaya angibuze like little personal o jwang o nna kae lena la ho kona mang like ya WhatsApp ke khatlegile I don't want to like khatlegile and as you've seen hore ka perering I'm a married man but wena ungikhatlile so I don't want to hide the fact ukuthi ngishadile kusese manje ngicela ukuthi uyazi we lock in hore I'm married I do have a wife but I was like I keep on a ring so ring doesn't stop anything in like ke batla ho etsa le wena or I was just obuganga bobungenile uthi hayi sikhulume no guys sikhulume siflete na ukayina flete back hobe monate okay was like you know what I'm flying somewhere ngizothi mangibuya and then si catch up isihlangane is it possible if singahlangana I'll book a place ngilale lapho and then ulindo shayise and then maybe we can go out for a dinner and then hey re tla bona from the hotaba erishaka or I was just ikisahana ngithi say no more abikele teng awugayi afly ahamba izinto zakhe lezibekazi uzenza angifonele athi no I'm booking iflight ebuya kusasa so ngizobhukhana indawo la ngizolala khona kusasa and then unamoshayisa then sizohlangana ke I no problem okay akahlali le province mina ngihlala kuyo so kushuthi uyafly in and out and then ayelahla la khona mina ukuthi iflight yakhe connector fanele ukuthi la beka confirm ukuthi akconnectela ngisebenzela khona ningibambi yabona ugelo shapu ugayi sothi ugelo kunkele sothi ugayi bani arinke abudisem yabona so abudisem the following day vele afly vele afike abhalele ugelo kifihlile befuthi sengicheke in ase hotel so ngizolinda wena mawuqeda ke then uzongitshela ukuthi akakopana kae cause indawo yakho le so kwazi ama spots are right and please ake batle mogotletse chachana spots is right la singahlala as decent couples sikhulume spot esingavala maybe a bit later no problem uthi ngimbuze la ubooke khona izinto hotel na akuna restaurant around lapho for us ukuthi singachila na until a bit later yabona guy was like no ngibookile ko Garden Court yabona so singahlangana restaurant yakhona if you don't mind girl was like okay ngizohamba ngendlini ngizoshintsha ngifreshen up and then ngizodrive ke ngize lapho no problem. What I was lapho ke khona la endlini yakho endlini asekukholi ke 15 minutes drive from my home to le hotel apho ke or I was ngendlini vele ke freshen up ke etse show for ke nkamonate everywhere okutla sure everywhere ke nkamonate but you'll never know ukuthi uzoyenzakalani uphilo ke once off what you be muhle makeup or get short little black dress yaka get heel get gold accessories uthi ye ngibe kahle ngibe muhle uthi awusijoze ngitsamaya ke tsena koleng ke drive game ke motho hore no ke go parking hayi uthi vele angene vele uthi vele ngimthole vele angimele emnyango hayi uthi ngene hayi uthi we siya ku hotel go restaurant ase hotel and then umuntu athi you know what I feel like ngcono si like asambe si roomini lami la sizoba khona comfortable sizo order in room service or ubatla re itse jang re roja downstairs and then re roto geronna go hodimo ro chila ne ubatla eng uthi obutisa nna I was choose wase ngimbhekele ukutlobutlo mara ngangishayiwa not mangibhekile or like manje like ka calculator mo tlhaloganyo nyaka hore ke balance hore is it worth it ngenze ngiriske ke hane ke re uthi ngithi uthi no what whatever no feel comfortable kuyenza mina I'm game abona uthi guy was like okay asame so like downstairs and then if ever akusilid kakhulu for you to drive back and then re tla nna go room nyaka akena problem sharp uthi sihambe awushozi mangifika lapha yana si order dijo sidle sicede ora awushozi besihlela fast because rena le second location and of which second location ke cook hayi kilo what uthi ayisele sithatha ukudla umuntu abhatale ebhili sikhuphuke vele sikhuphuke sifike eroomini lakhe or awushozi afihla ku room hayi sichile vele richile vele anne kompetong nami ngihlala empedeni uthi sisame vele empedeni usithe on TV uthi vele sicoce awushozi or ricoce kube ukuthi one thing led to another really together what awushozi everything ibe perfect or not like ke movie or everything be perfect guy alright like ikibulele na phone ha azange ngifuna umsadi okay beba phone abantu but azange kube nokuthi uba uncomfortable nambe ngasi uncomfortable because of nakele single lady awuna akena nywe akena monna kilobona so like bophilo bobule soft like that what I say spend the night together and I was choosing really tabaje like kilobona senzeni izindaba lezana what I the following morning hayi ngivuke vele mina fanele ukuthi ngimsebenzeni vele ngimsho ukuthi no what ngiyahamba ngendlela ngisayokudlula ngeza nemsebenzini ke retla bonana uthi uka vele ahlike na mphume nami vele ayihle nami vele ngilifti ritsama vele re go angiphake emoto angikhaphe emotweni la ngiphake khona hayi umuntu angitshela ukuthi I will come pass by ke emsebenzini wakho before ngihamba because of I'm leaving I'm going back home today okay sharp what I was choosing hobe hore le na ke ntlo nka di prepare ka tlhapa I'm driving back to work or I was choosing moteleng motho like we young love bomb ka di messages ngabo bo khona aka fetsa ditaba tsela bo tshwantse hore ga botse ingome mnandi iphinde in or like obon mina ngifila ukuthi lo muntu lona like uklona umpithile wanoto maybe utlona chaba like that kube into ukuthi ayenzekile rafita koyona beside like so you is protected klona hayi uthi hayi emini ugayivele eze yangiphathile lunch azongitshela ukuthi no mama singahamba I will make plans ukuthi ngiza as often as I can decide ngizokubona cause ngifila ngathi engeke ngikhona ukuphila without wena athi ngiyacala ukuhlangana nentombazane efana nawe ikilo what I was angry after everything sekwenzekile sesibonana live uthi ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu makangibona ubona sifebenyana ne like ngiyana o di delivery leng like ngizote ngaze ngazideliver endaweni yakhe yena the only thing ukuthi adle ipizza phela uthi like sengiyazijaja phela ngisho sokwenzekile because unano no holy moment their weakness unano ngiyaziphe ngithi uyangijaja shem lo budi yo and I think ukuthi ngeke ngiphinde ngimbone uthi ayisivalelisane umuntu vele ahambe agibele flight yakhe bophilo bakabotswele phela na awusichozi impilo ichubeke hayi uthi a day later ubrothers vele angifonele mangifonela athi mamas kahle kahle ngisakhona uconcentrate ingqondo yami iseli lapho kahle kahle. Uthi guy angitshela ukuthi ingqondo yakhe like ingathi sele lana ngikhona so yena ngeke akhone so ubukha indawo for the weekend ufuna ukubuya ngapha azombona. What else is it? Like, guy like financially be hale fine. Who mutu unaling the business there and there bigger right vele. Utu guy vele abuke indawo na me vele ngicele vele weekend of M17. What else to say? Na like I spend the weekend together and I spend the weekend together go fleeting or hotel at uspukele like a beautiful place is in Tabin. You want ngapha ngasempumalanga. What else was like? It was spectacular. Everything I planning the roses, uthi ngithengele expensive chocolates. What else was umuntu ngithengele ne gift. Or ki second date yarena official. Uthi ukele. I was just like being feeling like a princess, or I would went all out, or like I was just the way like I was so shocked to lo muntu lo mna ukuthi lo once off and it's done and ngiphinda ngibone. Hayi abuda ngitshela ukuthi yena uyangithanda and then office ukuthi mina ngibe umamncane uyafila ukuthi mina naye like sitshela kamnandi and more leveling yawuthwana uthi vele angitshela ukuthi no mina mfazi wamakasebenzi uyi housewife so izinto eziningi mangitraveler for work ngihamba ngewani and ngisanda khona lesikhwele like umuntu opamba amacubu mangamenza into wrong ayipheli athi wabathi bona bana babolela jwa ikhuluma but one thing engayithanda ngayo ukuthi wangitshela direct ukuthi I love that woman ngiyamthanda and I don't see myself mina nayisihlukana so the reason I'm telling you this ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ube mamncane like let me introduce you to her ukuthi I think ngithola umamncane what else was mojolo no lemonade mojolo bo lemonade abuti namfachelete like my life nje be flow kamnandi I don't want to lie so I didn't want to waste isikhathi sami kerkona hala ngavuma on the spot leso sikhathi uthi ngavuma uka was like okay I will arrange on my side mangijika and then ngizokhuluma naye ngizokuthi thini if uthi yes I will book you a flight and then ufly ke ngoza ngokhollecta airport what else choose fine uthi uthi relationship ama calls ama texts the sexting uthi it was everything what I was choose bekili senda the notes ubrothers macala khuluma nami arike hope uthi ore ngithi gagang ngepicture uthi the relationship beyimunandi up until bathi ngihambe ngibona umamkhulu agreed ukuthi ufuna ukungibona I was just ngifly here lokho mamkhulu ayongibona hayi ukayas introduce but mina ngingalali like endlini yabo like angibukele a place for me a hotel ukuthi ngolala khona what I was just mamkhulu vele angibuze kahle athi indoda yami mayikhulumisa ikutshela ngothando awengayibona ngale ring ibonakala esandleni uthi ungibuza in front of Mugai yabona uthi ngithi ngiyibonile manje wavuma ukuthi ufuna ukuba isihlama uthi ugel asho kanjani athi manje wavuma ukuthi ufuna ukuba isihlama na uthi vele ngithule ngingarespondi orikele bethi Mugai lebelethi kufathi ugel ongibheke inqo emehlweni ukuthi phendula uthi azange ngivuma ukuba isihlama but bengizitshelile ukuthi nami ngoba nginamuntu and ugayi ngitshelile ukuthi uba Sithembu so mina bengana problem ukuthi ngangena esithenjini athi uzoyimela into eqala intombazana uzoyimela na what else was umama bekakhuluma nami they uyafuna ngakhona mina I was trying by always ukuthi ngibe respectful towards yena because of ngekomtsengwa high ngilisise ke monna wa high so mina I'm just a nobody kahle kule situation and ugayi ngimela ukuthi uzongimela uthi ugayaza ngasho next ubheke phansi mama wakhuluma umama wagibela ikhanda wazehlela kimi or awushozi kabangari kingu watsaba yasihlabela umrena Jesu uthi ngathula ngazithoba wangitshela wathi intombazana uyimele into eyiqalayo yangizwe ngithi uyimele or awushozi abheki athi baba Nkazimulo uyayifuna le ntombazana or baba Nkazimulo athi yebo mama akhulumele phansi or like that man ekemona ngwa posture is strong wa voice a deep like arnasting I was just not aroke mishima nyana uthi ngabona ukuthi abona ngaze ngazifaka emaqaqeni bangibuza ukuthi ngifuna ukuba isihlama ngaza ngaba isihlama yangizwa uthi uba Nkazimulo vele baba kaNkazimulo avume vele athi yebo bengifisa mama ukuthi ngiphilisane kahle, bengifisa ukuthi indaba yamalobolo ngiyihandle as soon as possible, and bengifisa ukuthi if kuyakhonakala intombazana ingazi izomuvela ngapha, if yena uyavuma ke ukuthi emsebenzini wakhe bangamtransfera aze ngaphe abeseduze, ngabe ukuthi umuntu ngangingapha jikijiki sengiyangale jikijiki uba semaduze ukuthi ngikhona ukuhlala nani together, ngikhona ukubona ngapha ngibone nangapha, yabona uthi vele the wife angaphendula athi ulethi tu uthi hayi athi ngiyabonga mama, ubaba kaNkazimulu lapha angibize athi asambe. Kodwa angifana ukuthi ngiyemele awushoze ukuthi umama ahlala phansi, baba kaNkazimulu siphe ispace. Kodwa baba kaNkazimulu awushoze lore angikemele ari no uzakhuluma naye lilanga because wambona ukuthi awuso-African. Uthi azange baba kaNkazimulu aphuma ngimzasekabiza someone wabafana laba lasibathole egcekeni, umuntu uyahamba ngezwe ivoice yakhe iwalk away, ngishala limbe or lithu. Uthi angibuze athi why ungidelela kanje, ufuna nendoda yami, why ngabe le ndoda ayifuna ufaka isithenjini uwali, ufuna ini emzini wami? Athi le ndoda ngihlupheke nayo iminyaka yonke inganali next, namuhla ina something yagijima ukulanda la ngoba sowubona ukuthi unalutho, unayo khona into ongayibenefit, so uyamthatha nawe. Athi ntombazana ufuna ndlana kwami, ufuna ini? Or awusoze kichuhile or kuyamona or awuso kabotsebotse adlale and into ayi accept, uno accept amopila kaNkazimulu ababa kaNkazimulu, but yima akayifuni kahle akangifuni. Or awusoze ke sathi or kese jwang uthi vele ngicela vele ngicela athi ungaxolisi ukuthi uxolise the minute undoda egqoke iring ikhulumisa ukuthi ngiyaxolisa baba angifuni indoda eshadile, ungaxolisi, uyenze intentionally lento uyenzayo. Or awushoze akhulume umama or awushoze moto angomanye moto ando or ke homo afethi ke mona ukhule down or ke moto or ke mina umuntu wakho ngimthandile yebo, but angeke ngize ngimthathe kuwe, and if ever wena awufuni tshela le ndoda ukuthi siyeke lento lena angasaqhubeki. If ever like ukuthi mina nayisatshontshana kuphela asitshontsane kuphela, kungabi ukuthi kuba into epheme akakuthathe nje singazi ukuthi mangalahlekile ngizomthola ku, akakuthathi. Alright, awusoze baba kaNkazimulu abuye avile athi mama kaNkazimulu sengiqedile ukukhuluma, uthi yebo baba sicedile ningahamba singakhululeka kunankingi. Well awusoze akike nakholweni lentatekazi or ke motse umsadi yaho onruhile gabatse botse bile into yakhe sayifila ngcono siyeke. Baba kaNkazimulu athi angeke ngihambe indlela engaka, sengiyiqalile le ndlela, sengiphakathi kwendlela manje, sengiphakathi kwendawo, ngijike ngibele emuva ukuthi phambili la siyakhona, lo mama lo uzoxola manje usaqasukile yebo uqala ukubona and akubona ukuthi umncane. That's why akhulume nawe ngalendlela akhulume, but wena fanele ukuthi nawe uzazi ukuthi uziphi space lo mama lo uzokuaccepta. Or awushozi because of lerato and lo rata motho o ba stlaela or ke dumele like ngentate Nkazimulu abuti semo ntshwere ka leleme or ke dumela ra mama khululeka onami khululeka asambe sendlini yokhula down sihlale phansi mina nawo sizone leli ndawo. Awushozi drive rebelela ngibukhe khona arifitla kube mnandi ngikhohlwe nje ngoma kaNkazimulu ngithethisile ngikhohlwe kube mnade rethe. Or awushozi after that angalali la ngikhona ne athi yimi athi no what ngoba ubaba kaNkazimulu ngimshanga se right, let me go back endlini ngiyomkhulisa down abona ukuthi some respect as the senior wife, and then wena ngizokubona kusasa before jika, no problem. I uthi awushozi ngilaleke or awusoze bushobo nekisaroba benginama nightmares, so like angazi ukuthi bewe anxiety or bengithukiwe or lo mama bekayenza something uthi azange ngilale awusoze ule hotel azange boruhloboroko uthi ngihleli ngabrowse phone nami bengingalikhona ulala awusoze ukwaze kwasa makusa uthi ngicela ulala maybe around 5 AM ekuseni ngalala nyana because I needed to check out ngo10 uthi ngalala ngo8 ngavuka abese ngiyaprepare ke bangizo check out. Guy was like no uzongithola phansi sisadle breakfast before hamba. Okay sharp ngayehla ngebag ngaya phansi ngadli breakfast no brothers cicala na vele ngabe sengiyahamba ke ngakuflight wami ubrothers wangibona ukuthi angisi right like encourage you know what uma kaNkazimulu uzoba right, don't stress yourself over this thing, like I will sort it out next time awuzalana i visit yakho izoba pleasant utowamohela. Sharp awushozi uthi hayi ngihambe ngigibele flight I'm going back phela to my place uthi mangifika endaweni yami awushozi aregular bona if ever kwaba ngathi kunomuntu like uhleli naye like ungikhanga magaka ikilobona kuthi like mangihleli so ngizwa ngathi kunuka magaka awushozi okay kungari ngikha magaka hola ngicale ngibhudulule endlini ngithi hayi man ngathi kunomuntu kakile lawona uri kicheke ake waboni magaka but ngiyafila umnuku wamakaka ura awushozi khobe ntwe eranang for 3 days ngokulandelana ngizwe ukuthi hayi man kunuka magaka uri ngitshele abuthi Sam kuri no man Sam yazi there is something like a strange enzakalayo since ngibela nendlini like nginukela makaka mara makaka ngiwabona even if ngiyana ngisebenzini like that smell isesekhona nasemotweni smell isesekhona there is something of enzakalayo uri awushozi on day 3 mangisemsebenzini ngibe ne conflict ne one of ama customers wethu abelo conflict uthi ngitry like to resolve the issue hayi umuntu vele inkinga vele ibenkulu athi I want to see your manager in manager mayifika instead ukuthi alalele story uthatha story se customer awushozi gibe motho wrong out of everything ngibe umuntu wrong kulobona uthi abafike bathi wena go home utle for disciplinary hearing ka date eso usawo ngimangala ukuthi manje sengenzeni ngaka uthi hayi mangifika lapha yena ngitshela ukuthi no wena wenze icustomer it uthi awushozi kisabele chance hore ngidi defend kilobona uthi ngichaze bangabelieve story sami kube ukuthi you know what esakudismissa usinya image ya business yarena raw dismiss or awushozi ngiphelele umsebenzi just like that ka day 3 or kifelle ke mereko mangiphela umsebenzi ngifonela uSam ngiyakhala ngiyamtshela ukuthi no emsebenzini ngiphela umsebenzi and in a funny way I don't even understand ukuthi kanjani samathi you know what sizo try to check ukuthi kwenzekeni kitlo fly kamo and then ngibona ukuthi angeke sithathe up nama lawyers lento abakwenze yona or sharp awushozi uthi abangifike endlini vele ngifike vele ngigeze awushozi I'm crying I don't know what to do like kinale dikoloto kitsanse ke patele kolo tsanse ke patele market nankote sengiba ne stress manje ukuthi like ngiluze into like I'm feeling stability like ngirele ngore ke feel hore ayikho into engangishake because of I can do everything myself uthi ngidecide ukuthi you know what let me go election ngiyakumamncane wami ngiyomtshela ukuthi kwenzekeni yabona emsebenzini uthi ayike kumamncane wakhe ngiyamtshela ukuthi umamncane yazi emsebenzini kwenzeke yonto athi izinto zabantu kuyakhonakala mara ukuthi bakuxoshisa just like that or ngitshela ukuthi yo awusminki bangigubile like bangigubile I don't know what to do yabona usisi umamncane angitshela athi you know what sisi hamba ekhaya just for a week you refresh uzophinda ubuye awushoza ake babotsa hore I met this guy batontshiya uthi leyo ndaba angikhulumi because manje sengistresse ndaba umsebenzi uthi ngidriving izile ekhaya just to relax because usemuthi uzongibona during the week but hatla umbutho mabaka mobility so ngathi sathi you know what let me go home and no refresh ngizobuya kahle uthi ngekhaya or awushozi mangisekhaya kube indaba zokuthi uSam like asamfonela like khafisha kusona lemathomo umfonele kuseni maybe uzongifonela entambama and now I'm stressed I need someone to talk to I need someone ongangicuzela like ukulobona uthi mangimfonela ay baby ngizobuya kuwethu ngisesebhizi ngizobuya ku ungidropele phone ake mfonela hayi ngisesebhizi ngizobuya ku ungidropela phone uzongifonela entambama nje ukuthi ay mina mama yazi bengikhathele mina bengibusy ngiyalala sizophinda sikhulume kusasa uthi yenzeke like that awushozi athi ngizibuza ukuthi kanti sengimenzeni this guy first umsebenzi now this guy uyangifliphela because of sengiluze umsebenzi yabona uthi hayi vele ngingalali ngibhalele vele iBhayibheli ku WhatsApp uthi no uze empilweni yami ngiright wangintroduce komsadi ngahawo ngifelela ke mere kwaka I feel ukuthi umfazi wakho ungitshele ngitshejika sicitho wayilutsa kade hlakahlakana uthi leso sikhathi bengikhuluma out of anger nokuthi asafuna ukukhuluma nami nengasi into ngiyazi ketsebangi like ikile ngangiconsulta bampotsore noba kuthele ngesicitho but like something in me wenjela ukuthi once ngiyile izinto zami ezihlangahlangana wabona hayi ngidecide ukuthi ke manje ngiyamtshela umama ukuthi hayi phela abana bangixoshile emsebenzini the reason being ngonokuthi rahala smaka sona sewu bangikuba mama was like ngona kasambe so check ukuthi bakuxoshele kahle uyabaza abazali basemakhaya or awusozire zama bayibancheck arifika or awusho masifika lapha yana ro consult phela kumakhosi masifika umakhosi afike athi sisi uyazi into oyenzile and uyazi into oyenzayo phuma kulomuntu lo mafuna ukuthi impilo yakho ibile back to normal phuma kulomuntu lo as long as kunolomuntu empilweni yakho check it inyane nje khulu diyetla awuthi azange ngene endabeni azange akhulume into details wavele wakhuluma kanjalo mina ngapick up I know ukuthi ukhuluma ngobani ukhuluma ngani mother akazi or awushozi ngivome athi mangahlukana nalomuntu lo impilo yakho yobela back to normal but as long as umuntu arisidungdungwana siyetla arisiyetla sitlo drunk usazo drunk akusese eli uthi ayivele ngivumi or awushozi mangisuka kumakhosi angifonele uSam angitshela ukuthi you know what I'm coming back tomorrow ngizokubona I will try to make it up to you because like we need distance machatia or awushozi thizari I'm coming back tomorrow azangifuna ukujika ngabe sengivalele isithi ngathi mina ngiyahamba ngendaweni yami I didn't even discuss with them ukuthi kwenzakalani ubhudu uSam azangibatshele anything abese ngiyakhuphuka ke ngihamba ngendlini ukuthi semangithole ngikhona hayi vele uSam the following day vele athi or awusho semayidla angimtshela ukuthi ngibe consult abaring kamsadi kitso koyena cause the holiday yidla or awusho sifike endlini ube munati alusema umuntu romantic arimuthule romantic and he tries by all means ukuthi awenze izinto ezinhle and awunali yena like uthabe makahamba nje ushama beautiful memories awashiyayo uthi kube mnandi awusjozi sizikhiphe the following day like athi mama like I'm trying to cheer you up because ngabona ukuthi awusi right or awusjozi masizikhiphile uthi besizikhiphile fike ebusuku salala the following day sazikhipha or asizikhiphile umama afuni ambuza ukuthi uphi usema mtshela ukuthi hayi ngikele sisela ngikele umama zethu zakhe emsebenzini nasami kahle so unezinkinga ngithi ngize ngizombona or umsadi hayi awusuze okay I drop a phone bangabe ne communication endlula lapho uthi hayi sichube ngelanga vele usema hayi uzoba right ungawarisithando sami sichube ngelanga enjoyele usem alale second day alale endlini second day uthi ebusuku amfonele athi mawulala lapho amasuku amabili ngokulandelana uzibuza ini waye ungabuye endlini uthi ngibona ukuthi umama lo lendaba vele yamnyanyisa or like yamnyanyisa athi waye ngabuye endlini sami baba kaNkazimulu ngokumele la ukuthi uyabuya awubuye endlini baba kaNkazimulu amthe ukuthi ngizobuya kusasa first thing tomorrow morning ngizuza so ngicela ukuthi ungixolele mama or awushoze robala ole he robala awushoze istatile azangisiyenze into abantu abadala ukuthi bengisense ukuthi usem stressed and nami ngistressed ukuthi lo mama lo ambahle and pretend manje uyangikhomba ukuthi angangifuni uthi the following day usempela ageza athi mama emangihambe before ngithole endlini bashise yonke into because umzulu ukuthi umama ukwatile or awushoze atsamaye Sam or afethu utsamaya uthi ngithi ngiyandlula awushoze Sam beka khona endlini uhamba ngisho ekseni uhambe ngeflight ekseni uthi kerekalola kumbhede umuntu Robert kodwa uthi mangithi ijuvet or awushoze ijuvet ele Robert imula no nothing uthi mangithi ijuvet awushoze yazazi impethu are no kare ba ditshetse ka cup like this mo godima mpeto waka and the side ene groba letseng go teng uthi awushoze ngitsema ngithi ngibona ngezinto zithi uthi umscreamer ngawuscreamer lelo langa awushoze or ka screamer umscreamer umo or azangitse gore ketse jwa uthi nga screamer umakhelo noza kitchima tikwenza kanani ngabe ngimbiza ngithi makibuzo ubona are kompeto awushoze or awusola because of no moto mo unotsa lerking base cover like base cover ayithatha ayigoqa so abaphuma nayo ngaphandla kitchen athi ngithi isane paraffin sizoyishisa or awushoze like quick thinking nanekiside nahana uthi awusowathatha lento leyana sayifaya ngale mover la kuneyola khona washing or awushoze rafisa ntwela same time uthangitshela athi sisi inkulu lento uthi sisi athi inkulu lento le inkulu akekho umuntu ovela kuthumele ngempethu athi eyona eholo enkulu isayeza ukudlula le athi awuwenzeni or awushoze ke bona ngorumo mohwaliwa mo enhololwa monna ekento yamadi aliwa kulwindoda or awushoze azangifuna ukujika ngavela ngithatha ifone ngafonela uSam ngathema ukuthi uhambe empedeni thule kunebungu ngimtshela ukuthi Sam and bathi umfazi wakho wena ungitshele ngisichitho lelanga ngitshela ukuthi kunikwamaqaqa umfazi wakho ngenza ukuthi bangixoshe emsebenzini Sam you know what akisawubadla I don't want to die ngisesemncane angisakufuni so please leave me alone from now on into yasihlanganisa mina nawo iphelile akisawubadla or awushoze inamba kaMaNkazimulu ngayithatha efonini ka Sam uthi awushoze ngafonela umfazi wakhe immediately ngamtshela ngathi makuNkazimulu indoda yakho ngiyiqoshile la angeke isaphinde libhade angisamfuni ngicela ukuthi reverse whatever boyenza mina monna hawa ke matla and ke khopela tshwarelo for dilo tso ke dirileng le monna hawa bengazi ukuthi mawuthi uyavuma uzongithumela ngempethu bengazi ukuthi uyavuma uzongenza ngesicitho samakaka beke sa tsebe a ausi a ke sa matla monna hao ke hopela hore o tse monna hao a ngifuna ukusifaka izintweni zobuthakathi angithakathi and ngithakathele indoda or awushozi azange azakhulume ke umama ovele wa drop ifone wanyeka kanjalo uthi Sam abhiza angifonela or awushozi ngabona hore monna utlombulesha kamsada ngavele ngamblock utha isikhathi saya ngabe sengiya-aphila phela emsebenzini nga-aphila vele for le ndaba le because of kile umakhosi was like dikgolo di tla tlogela motho o tlhapa afetsa o tlhapa go back to work uyocela umsebenzi wakho back or awushoze ngibloke usem ngahamba ngayo aphila emsebenzini aphila kwaba ukuthi vele kuba ne-sit down ke-understand-ke rakwishishana babe bathi okay uzobuya but mawubuya uzoba on probation if an incident like that yenzeka within 3 months ke terminate contract angeke usaba nathi kuzwani ke awusithozi or ke bole mberekong usamnyimblockile iviki lendlule uthi ngibele emsebenzini iviki lendlule nobu2 awusithozi kiduse kontlunyaka kutloka gogo uthi mangithi ngivula umnyanga usem komnyaka or awusithozi azange batubulela selo ngavele ngawushatha umnyanga ngathi ngicela ukuthi uhambe akubahle angimfuni umfazi wakho azongithakatha ngicela ukuthi uhambe umfazi wakho uyathakatha usamazi like baby ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe I just want to confirm a few things nawe ngiyacela ukuthi ungivulele or awushozi ngithi confirm ume lapha eminyango nami ngime ngapha kumnyango sengahlangani because angifuni ukuthi mina izinto zami emsebenzini lithakathakane because of wena uthi angibuza ukuthi what's the reason ngithi umfazi wakhe yathakatha or awushozi ke mmotsa or msade how ngithize mangisuka le ngifly ngiza ngapho first thing mangifika endlini ngani kwamakaka emsebenzini bekunukela amakaka emotweni benginiwela amakaka kanti ngizocabana necustomer emsebenzini bangiqoshe uthi and secondly uthi semahamba la endlini uthi semathi ngidlula umbhede ibungu athi izimpethu bungabe bazithele ngecup bezingagcwala icup wena immediate mangothi uhamba so mangithe mangimfonela ngitshela ukuthi aphume ngizokuphumela ngemva kwakho ngiqoshile azange azakhulume nothing uvele wangidropela ifone after sengikhulume yonke into bengifuna ukuyikhuluma so now you want to come back and destroy my life ngiyabonga Sam ngikhophela uroshike ubele kumsade hawo ola awushoza sangigamulela mnyako wancenga into ethe encenga yabe yathi hamba ngabe ngiphuma awushoza indodeni umuntu uri ngaphuma 8 school kwaba a lesson engayifuna ngathi into nyoko ngayilandelela emgodini or me ola ke mlateletse aduletse le monna hae ka mlata ka botsa gore na ke matwete ke tleba kante na ke tleba o fetanna or awushozi ngazi ukuthi if ever bengakayekanga indaba yebunga benguphi ngisho ukuthi kathi ko lengeke samaya kahle samu because of ratana le monna msadi yawo uthi I'm not advising ukuthi uthanda nendoda yomunye umfazi funa yakho indoda hayi kunzeme South Africa ngabathi like ukuthakatha kunama degrees mara ngabathi nabantu abamnyama sinama masters nama PhD yangangani cause ngebaro ho tsenela sekolo ifule master ya uthakatha ubane le qualification awuthakathi indoda yakho ukuthi ngikhulumisa abafazi uthakatha lo mfazi lo partner abafazi ayimangakhulo ayina indaba kankele guys hayi baba yini guys